In the previous tutorial, /posts/Python tutorial logging/, we learned about logging and debugging. Now let's build our first real project, a command line task manager using Click for argument parsing and Rich for colored output. Let's break it down. Project structure key design decision. We separate the core logic task manager class from the CLI layer Click commands. This makes the core logic easy to test without running CLI commands. Step 1. The task model. We start with a simple data class for tasks. The to_dict and from_dict methods let us save tasks to JSON and load them back. Step 2. JSON file storage. We store tasks in a JSON file. This is simple and works for a CLI tool. Notice the error handling. If the JSON file is corrupted, we return an empty list instead of crashing. The mkdir parents equals true creates the directory if it does not exist. Step 3. The task manager. The core logic lives in a task manager class. It does not know about Click or Rich. It just manages tasks. Every method validates input, saves to disk, and raises clear errors. This is testable code. Step 4. Click. Command line interface. Click is a Python library for building CLI applications. It is simpler and more powerful than argparse. Here is how we add a CLI layer on top of our task manager. Click features used. At click.group, creates a command group like git commit, git push. At CLI.command, adds a command to the group. At click.argument, required positional argument. At click.option, optional flag with. Name syntax, click, choice. Restricts values to a list. Click.echo, prints output, works correctly on all terminals. Step 5. Rich. Colored output. Rich adds colors, tables, and panels to your CLI. Replace the plain list_tasks command with a colored table. Rich uses markup tags like red text/red for colors. The table class creates aligned, bordered tables automatically. Rich panels for stats. Step 6. Packaging with PyProject.toml. To make your CLI tool installable with pip install, create a PyProject.toml. The project.script section tells pip to create a tasks command that runs the CLI function. After pip install, you can run tasks, add my task from anywhere. Step 7. Testing. We test the core logic task manager directly without running CLI commands. Notice how we use tmp_path, a pytest fixture, to create temporary files. This keeps tests isolated. Each test gets a fresh, empty task list. Run the tests. Common mistakes. 1. Mixing core logic and CLI code. 2. No input validation. 3.